Welcome back to He Can Fix Anything. Today I'm going to show you how to reset the maintenance required light on this Honda Odyssey. Now this reset process will apply to model years of the Honda Odyssey starting in 2010 all the way up to around 2016 or 17. This particular one is a 2012. Now the first thing you do is you turn on the key but don't start the engine. Everything will light up. And what you want to do, see it's already up here, and you can see this car is way past the service date, and so it's flashing, and that comes on every time the car is started. So the first thing you do is take the trip button right here. You want to hold it down. You'll need to hold it for about 10 seconds. Okay, now it's all flashing again. You want to hold it down till it stops flashing. You hold it down one more time and it'll take about 5 seconds. You'll see that that information center will reset. 100%. All good to go now. Congratulations, that's all there is to it. Every time you change the oil, you'll want to reset this. A lot of shops don't do this for you, so it's good that you know how to do it. See you next time.